Hello, Cole. Oh, no. Hello, Freddy.
Hello, what are you doing?
Today I'm going to make you the Aperol Spritz. Do you know what it is?
Soft drink?
It's some kind of the alcoholic drink. But are you over 18? I can see the wrinkle on your face. So I assume that you are already 18 over. So today I'm going to prepare you the Aperol Spritz, which is the popular summer drink right now. What we need is Aperol, which is aperitif, Prosecco, soda water, and orange for decoration. And the process is quite easy, okay? I will show you how to do it. We need 3 parts of Prosecco, 2 parts of Aperol, and 1 part of soda water. Okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Aperol is the same colour as me.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up, I'm thirsty.
Come on, Freddy, this drink is not for a thirsty person. It's the drink for summer to make you more relaxing, hopefully.
I've been walking all day, chasing chickens.
Chasing chicken.
By the way, are we having chicken for dinner tonight?
I changed my mind. We will have pork.
I don't like pork. Chickens are better, especially when they're still alive.
Okay, let's start with Prosecco. 3 parts of Prosecco. And 2 parts of Aperol. And 1 part of soda. Okay, Freddy, right now everything was mixed. We only need some ice. This is not something chewable. Okay. I bet that you will love this.
Do you have chicken flavour?
Yes, I do. It's in the freezer. Okay. And then we will pour. Oh, it is exactly the same color as you, Freddy. Perfect. Now we are going to
Where's mine?
put a wedge of orange.
Fox. I didn't know that it killed chickens and rabbits.
Now my chopping board are full of the orange weight. I don't know how to do it, but okay.
It just cut it in slices.
Like this. Huh? Okay, that is how we make the Aperol Spritz. Okay. Okay.
Yummy.
Hold this glass. And cheers, Freddy.
Cheers, but my snout won't fit in glass.
I hope you enjoy our amateur video. Please like and subscribe to our channel Taste and Trick so that you will not be missed out when we publish our new fun video on YouTube.